ithole ikhonale lapho elathiwa khona uRhodes eGanga kodwa linazelele umsebenzi ukhona inkosi kasiyonto yokudlala ithole ngubulelani ithole ngubulelani azalivozela amantuwa ngesikhathi sakhona.
Academics and indigenous researchers traced and found Crown Prince Bulelani Nobengula Khumalo as a grandson and rightful heir of Nobengula's crown in the Xhosa nation in Port Elizabeth. The Ndebele nation came to thank Xhosa King Mpendule Zwelonke Sigcawu in Nqandu Great Palace for keeping their heir. Bulelani Colin Nobengula Khumalo will be inaugurated as the new king of Amandebele on the 3rd of March in Zimbabwe.
We are warrior nation. Abantu bakithi bayiphakamele ngendlela ekufuze bayiphakamele ngayo indaba yakhe. We are supposed to be leaders.
Amandla